Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Advance Happy Diwali. So here I share a sweet cookie recipe, almond butter cookies. These buttery crunchy cookies are perfect for festival season. Almond cookies prepared traditionally during festival season in India. I powdered the almond, used it for this recipe. You can also use creamy almond butter. It's available in shop in different brands. Cookies can be prepared using either all-purpose flour or wheat flour. Here I use all-purpose flour. Wheat flour is more healthier than all-purpose flour. Here I make different shape of cookies for my son. He loves the different shape cookies. Let us check the preparation method. First take 1 cup almond. Roast the almond for 2 minutes. Then take it in a mixer and grind it well. After I sieve the almond powder by using filter, you can also directly use the powder. Next, take a mixing bowl, add almost 100 grams of butter. Then add 2 eggs and add 1 cup sugar powder. Using a whisk, mix it well till you get fluffy. After that, add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour and almond powder, ½ teaspoon baking powder, then ½ teaspoon baking soda. First using whisk, mix all together, then mix it by hand. Make a smooth dough. Then take your baking tray, place a baking paper, apply butter on it. First I made round shape cookies. Take small lemon sized ball and press it in lightly in the middle and place it in the baking tray. Repeat the process. Leave until 1–2 inch gap between each cookies pieces as they will get flattened in the oven. Polish the cookies by using beaten egg. In between, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Make a small design by using knife. Then bake it in the oven 12 to 14 minutes. When it is 10 minutes, just stand in front of the oven and see if the edges has changed to light brown color. For me, it took 12 minutes to get to this stage. Then I make different shape cookies by using dice. Try this easy tasty recipe in your home and reply your comments. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. Stay safe, stay healthy. Meet you soon with another easy recipe. Thank you.